Hello subscribers and other friends. Now here's a question. Can you skim multi-finish plaster onto cement board without any preparation? The answer's not really. We applied some watered down PVA glue to this stuff and it wasn't a success. So here's the remnants of the multi-finish skimming onto the cement board. No good. So what we're going to do is apply some of this Primer G from Mapei. Going to water it down 1 to 1. So we'll have 1 of water and we'll have 1 of primer. And we'll apply this to the board. You have to leave it to dry for a couple of hours apparently, and then we're going to try again. We don't do rehearsals here guys, as you know, so you get to see all the mistakes. You might ask yourself, why would you want to skim over this cement board anyway? Well, in this case, the shower cubicle is going to be half stud work and half block work. So we're going to have panels for the shower tray and the shower cubicle, but then the top half of this blocked off doorway is going to be probably just painted plaster. So we've got a sort of a hybrid situation here. So we're going to skim the top half of this cement board. The bottom half will have just ceramic tiles, I guess, probably up to roughly that join. Right guys, that's a couple of hours gone by now and I've knocked up a mix of fairly wet multi-coat plaster. And we're going to see if we can get it to stick to this cement board. Obviously I've got a little bit of a problem here where I'm going to go up to already skimmed plasterboard, or I can't remember what's behind there, but we're going to skim right up to existing plaster. Now that'll be interesting, won't it guys? Okay, well, anything could happen here. So let's start. I'm going to keep away from that old plaster for the moment. And see if this even looks as if it's going to stay put. There ain't no sunshine when she's gone, only darkness every day. There ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and it's house ain't no home anytime she goes away. Wonder this time if she's gone, if she's gonna stay. There ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and this house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. And I know, hey, leave a young girl alone, there ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Okay. Well, I'm not saying this is my best bit of plastering ever, guys, but I'm not even a plasterer. So, all the 30-year guys who come home from work and they go to YouTube to watch somebody else doing the exact same job they've been doing all day will be able to give us a bit of guidance, no doubt. Right guys, that's been on there for about half an hour now. It wants its second coat, so I'm going to do that quite thin as well, quite wet. It looks to me to be dry. It's about 18 degrees today, so it's drying out quite quickly, but I think it's going to be okay. So we'll knock up some more gear and quickly put another coat on top of that. Right guys, that second coat of multi-finish is going off nicely at the speed you'd expect. So hopefully that's all going to be good now. If you don't hear from me, you know that it's stayed on. So what we started with was this concrete board, con board or whatever it's called, hardy board type stuff. I tried it with 3:1 PVA and the plaster came straight back off. So we got ourselves this Mapei Primer G, a bit expensive, but that seems to have done the trick, diluted at 1:1. Hope that's helped some of you, and if you'd like to subscribe, you'll be able to see what else we get up to in the plastering, building, fixing your car and many other things. Thanks for watching guys.